So for sale today, we have a absolutely gorgeous ELGIN railroad pocket watch. This is fantastic condition. It's been recently serviced and it runs beautifully. I actually let this thing run for 3 days straight. And in that time period, it only lost 2 seconds, I believe. So it's actually set to the correct time right now. In fact, just go ahead and tick along right away. This is a lever set, which means that in order to set it, we have to unscrew the front here. As you can see, the crystal is in fantastic condition. There's a little lever here. We would pull that up, and then we could turn the crown or bail or whatever you would, not the bail, the crown, I guess, to set it. It winds wonderfully. Fairly plain back on it. Beautiful watch. This is railroad grade. This is a ELGIN 573. And it just sounds fantastic. Running smoothly, excellent condition. Serial number on this watch is Victor 555831, 5 adjustments, 17 joules. And you just can't go wrong with this watch. This is a wonderful watch. Let's go ahead and put it back together. I'm also going to go ahead and take many pictures, beautiful pictures, as I am known to do. All right, there you go. Enjoy.